Welcome back, guys, to the channel. I hope you're having an amazing day. And like I was saying, today I'm going to show you how easy it is to replace the starter on a first generation Scion TC. So without further ado, let's get it going. All right, so one of the first things that we're going to do is disconnect the negative side of the battery, which is this one right here. Just gonna get it loose and put it on the side, just like that. And now we're gonna get a Phillips screwdriver, and then we're gonna remove this guy right here. There we go, just like that. The next thing we gotta do is disconnect this plug right here, and then this one has a 12mm inside right here that we need to take out. All right. Okay, so you just push this tab right here, push it in, and then push it out. So press this tab right here, push it like this, and it comes out. Now we need the 12mm to remove that. So this is what it looks like after it's been removed from right here. Then we just take it out. Now it's out. All right, and for the final step, we have 114 right here, and the other one is right over here, right by what this blue thing is, right here behind this. You can feel it. It's 14, two 14s right there. I'm gonna use a gear ratchet to get that out. So 14mm gear ratchet will do the trick. So if you wondered which direction you need to go to get it loose, towards you. Same with that one over there, towards you. Everything towards you, okay? And just loose it up. All right, and the 14mm are out. They're the same size, so you don't need to get confused. They're short. Now we're ready to pull the starter out. See if I can do this with one hand. Okay, so you're gonna need two hands to take this out. So basically it's gonna be like this. You move it towards that way, and that's when the other hand is gonna help you take it out. So move it that way and flip it a little bit this way, and it comes out just like that. So push it all the way over here, and then with the other hand push it a little bit more and take it out, and now it's out. Well, that was really simple compared to other cars. This was pretty simple. You just gotta jiggle it out a little bit in here and it comes out. All right, and so the process to put it back on is gonna be the same as how do you got everything out. So let's do that. It's basically really simple to put it back in. Just be patient and put it on. Don't mess anything. See? Just get it in there. Get it in there and press it all the way in. Should go in really easy. like that. Now let's bolt everything back on, just the way you took it out, and test it. So let me give you a quick tip. If you are planning to get a starter from the junkyard, a used one, make sure that the car is wrecked, because that way you will know that the car was fully running before it got into the accident. So I know it sucks because someone got into an accident, but that's a way that you can tell if a part was working, especially like a starter or alternator or the engine itself. If the car is wrecked to the point that it didn't damage any of the components that you need, you know that they're gonna be on point, like you can use them. So that's a way to tell if a part is gonna be good or no. If you don't have a way to test it, keep that in mind. All right, so if you get it out of the junkyard, you will know that it's working when the car is wrecked, just like I said before. Fully working. There you have it. It's gonna idle a little funny because we removed this, but as soon as the computer regulates everything, it's gonna be good to go. So there you have it, guys. Now you know how to replace the starter on a first-gen Scion TC or Toyota Camry, although they're not the same engines because this is a performance engine and the Toyota Camry does have a performance engine, so don't get it mixed up. But it's basically almost the same, almost. So there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching, and you know, stay tuned for more videos. Like and subscribe, help the channel grow, and yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Dua, tiga. Yo, bagus, bagus. Enggak. Lepas, lepas, lepas. Kapan saudara?